Hi, hope you are all fine. It's Civil Guru 04. Today we have chapter 1, exercise number 1, working with application menu. The application menu expands out from the square AutoCAD Civil 3D icon located at the top left of your screen. Here you will find commands for creating, opening, saving and printing your drawing file. Here we have this icon and these all options for application menu. Exercise number 1, we will use application menu to open a file. Here I have write some steps for you. During watching your video, you can stop your screen and follow these steps easily. Every exercise will include these type of steps. So when I follow them, these steps, you need to copy me for best practicing. First step, launch Civil 3D by double click, as you know already. I have already opened. Second step, click the application menu icon. Click the application menu icon. Step number 3, on the application menu, click open. Here we have open. Sorry, 1 minute. Here we have open. Phone number, browse to the download data folder and open user interface drawing, which you can find in description. For downloading that file, click on link in description and go on my Facebook page to get Google Drive link for downloading. All drawings will be provided on same path. So I will go for number step. Here I have user interface drawing. So our drawing is open. Step number 5, open the application menu once more and investigate the command that are listed there. You will notice that most of them have to do with creating, opening, saving and printing drawing files. We click here and we can see all of these commands. Step number 6, keep this drawing open for the next exercise because nothing will change in this drawing file as a result of exercise. So we will look at our drawing. This drawing, like many other drawings you will open while working through this course, is set up with 3 viewports. You can see the one on the left